Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to remove Instagram follow limit. Alright, let's begin. So with Instagram, if your account is following 7,500 people, then that is the complete limit and cannot follow more people unless you unfollow some of your previous followings. However, if it is below 7,500 and you cannot follow more people, that means you probably have followed too much people in a short time span. So then Instagram has flagged you as a bot or a third-party app. So in order to fix that, first is to head on to these three lines right over here on the top right corner. Once you're in this page, you want to scroll down and then you want to click on help. Then click on report a problem and then click on report problem without shaking. From here, click on include and continue. And then briefly explain to Instagram what your problem is. And then once you've explained to Instagram where your problem is, click on send. And then within about a few hours up to 1 and 2 business days, and Instagram is going to basically remove the limit. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. See you guys in the next video. Thanks.